There's Tilly coming to beat up Buster. He pulled her off.
It's a good thing she has that extra hair on her cheeks.
Yeah.
Extra fur.
Oh, he's retreating. She's not satisfied.
Chicken kitty. Come on. Come and get
Come on, get her, Buster. Let's see more of the show.
Oh, it's intermission. I see.
I see. Intermission.
Gotta clean my paws for intermission.
She made a stab at him when he went by. Maybe it's a truce. Look at her tail, lashing still.
Her tail speaks. No
Yes.
truce. No truces ever.